Hey friends, today we're here looking at the Fireside outdoor pop-up fire pit. In general, for our home here, we wanted to have a fire pit that was both mobile for when we go camping and something that we could actually move around just in case we were worried about any particular area around the yard getting a bit too hot. So we picked this guy up after doing a few hours of research, trying to figure out the best fire pit, kind of bang for your buck. This one runs $179 on Amazon. I will put a link in the description. And ultimately, this was recommended by some keen outdoorsy people, far more outdoorsy than myself. I definitely wanted something that was just a little bit more customizable for the environment that we're going in, and that's what this is. So we'll take a look by opening it up. So what I really like about this kit is the fact that it's so compact. This is the carrying case, and basically this is all that's included. This is your the fire shield. This is the mesh like underneath where the actual wood will go, and everything wraps up in this like handy dandy little kit. So it's pretty cool. We'll take some time. We'll put it together right here, right now, so you can see what it looks like firsthand. So that's it. Basically, you set the wood on top of here, and we'll get this fire started. So as you can see here, we've got our fire going, albeit the wood is a little bit wet, but it'll soon get there. I'm not too worried about that. All in all, I would say this is actually a really cool little contraption. I've also got the grill kit. I didn't bring it out tonight since this is the first time we're using it, but in the event we want to cook some burgers or something like that on here, we totally can, which is pretty cool. You'll notice that I basically have this heat shield about 3 inches underneath where the actual fire mesh is. That is actually recommended by these guys to make sure that all the heat basically stays within sort of this vicinity, as opposed to actually, gets more towards the ground. The eventual goal is to put it on our deck and not have it, burn underneath. But we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna do some more testing. Probably gonna end up getting probably like a welder's mat or something like that, just to be able to have it sit on there and feel comfortable about it while we're sitting there along with it. So I hope you enjoy this video. This is the pop-up fire pit, and we're really excited to use it, and we'll see you next time.